Hi, hello, namaste everyone, those who are watching video out there. Welcome back to with Academics. So today I'm here back with one more new interesting chapter for grade 6 kids, that is methods of separation in everyday life. So before diving into the chapter, let me introduce myself. I am Asha Naik, your science tutor at your favorite learning platform with Academics. So let's see what and all the things that we are going to learn in this particular chapter. So we are going to see about the mixtures and how do we separate out those mixtures with various techniques. Okay. The very first thing is, let's see, what do you mean by the word mixture? What do you mean by the word mixture over here? So for sure, I can make it out that the very first thing that pop in your mind is the mixture that we eat, right? So we can't tell that it's a mixture. It is an example of a mixture. So we can see that we have groundnuts, dry coconut, soya sticks, many other things, curry leaves, everything, right? So it is examples out of a mixture where which is made up of two or more substances, just as such. So basically, a mixture, it is a combination of two or more substances. And the two main important properties of those things is, one is each component or each substance which is a part of mixture will retains its own property. Whatever that substance have a characteristic when it is as an individual will retain its property when it is mixed together with one another. Okay, the other thing is it doesn't react, that there is no chemical reaction occurs when two or more substances combine in a mixture. Okay, so for example, you have a salad, soil, air, and this is salt and water. It's not a separate entity. Salt and water is a mixture, two substances, that is salt and water. If you see salad, if you take it as a vegetable salad or something, you have carrot, cucumber, what is that, beans, peas, or anything. Okay, all these substances are mixed together and made a mixture called salad. And the properties of each entity or each substance have their own properties and they retain their properties even in a mixture called salad. When it comes to soil, you have a fine particle of the mud or else the little stones, pebbles or something. That is the different substance again combining to make a soil, which is a mixture. Air, it is the definition itself will tell that air is something which is a mixture of gases, right? Then comes salt and water. Salt is NaCl, which is a something different substance, and water is a different. So when you make it as a mixture, when you dissolve salt in the water, it is a different mixture which have a different which retains the both the salt and the water properties there. So that is about the mixture. That is, it's a mixture is a combination of two or more substances.